everybody, welcome to my channel. I have been meaning to post this video forever now, okay? I've been talking about the FAT BURN BLITZ, and every time something just seems to get in my way of recording, like posting and stuff like that. But I'm here now. The video is, you are watching it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It's just a week that I spent doing this, so I just decided to share. I cannot even show you the entire week because I was basically eating the same. If you just want to rev up your system, you want to make your system go boom, this is the program that you should try. I was recommended it by a friend. I did it and I am so glad that I did it. Am I gonna do it again? Definitely yes. So watch the video. I hope you enjoy it. Remember to like, subscribe, and share with a friend who needs some assistance. Okay? Guys, be completely and totally honest with me. Do I look like I have gained weight ever since I've started? I don't think so. So this is why the scale is not the right way to measure yourself when you are on a weight loss journey. Because sometimes we gain muscle, not sometimes, most of the time we gain muscle and we lose fat. So muscle is much heavier, okay? So there's no way, no. Because the last time I checked the scale, what was that? I think it was about a month ago, guys, when I did the weigh-in. And by the way, I just woke up, so I look a mess. I did a weigh-in and I was at 130. Now I'm at 134. And I'm just wondering what it could be because I've been eating right, I've been working out, so nah. I was trying to find my measuring tape, but I cannot find it. Hopefully it will come around. But I personally don't think that I am heavier than I was before, so I'm not gonna stress about the number on the scale, but I just wanted to capture it to see that if this FAT BURN BLITZ is going to make a very big difference or not. Yeah, let's get ready for the day, guys. It's day 1 of the FAT BURN BLITZ, and I just want to show you everything that I'm going to be getting up to today, food-wise. Okay, but I need to prep so that I don't get late for work. So guys, I am going to put together my stuff. I don't know if you could see that I actually freshened up, but I'm gonna put my food together. I have to measure out my chicken breasts for my meal and then for the mini meal. And I'm gonna be using these little small meal prep containers. So let's get to it. Okay, so it's already cooked. All I need to do, if you can see, this chicken breast, the one that I'm using. I wonder what it could be the equivalent of this if you had to try this in like using vegetables, like for vegetarians. I'm sure there's something that one could use. Come on. So I've already steamed out my broccoli. For my main meal, I need to have 3 cups of broccoli. That's about 270 grams. So that's what I'm gonna measure out right now. I think it's gonna be all this broccoli. Please be all this broccoli. It is. Okay, 260. That will do for now. So I'm gonna place all my broccoli in my plates. 3 cups of broccoli. Okay, this seems like it's not a big enough. Shall we transfer? Yes. Okay, there we go. And then I need to measure out 170 grams of chicken breast. So 10 there. Let's see. 1 is 110. Okay, 123. 145. Not 170. 170. That's too much. 142. Trying to get the most out of it. 160. 176. This is not gonna hurt. So this is going to be my lunch. I just threw it in there because of course I'm rushing. Nothing new. So this is broccoli and just chicken breasts. So lunchtime. I'm not looking forward to eating the broccoli, but and it's not even, I don't think it's salted. I didn't salt it, and I don't have any salt here. Am I even allowed to have salt? Have you guys had broccoli without salt? Like, is there? I think I have to combine it with this. That's my lunch for today. The chicken is good. Okay, so it's now time for my my fourth fueling. I have my green beans on the stove. Yeah, I just got home and I put green beans on the stove. And then I am going to measure out some chicken. Why is it wet over there? I'm going to measure out some chicken. So I've put out my scale already. The chicken that I have to measure out is 42 grams. So here goes. I need 1 cup of green bean. So I'm just going to measure them out and put them here. But this is, I'm not going to eat this like this. I'm just going to have to put it back on the stove and do something. But I just wanted to measure it out. So, there. We need 150. Yo. Okay.
Put the spice gun now.
You know what, nah, guys. 144. 175. So 159. I mean, honestly. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I'm gonna cook these right now. They are cooked already, but then no, I need to season. This afternoon I ate broccoli that's not seasoned, and if I do that again, I'm going to quit tomorrow. So I'm gonna season this before I go any further. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna saute these guys. I literally put like, what is this? Hold on. Oh, it's part of the green bean. Never mind. Yeah. Okay. I literally put like half a teaspoon of oil, but I don't think I can use oil. But I'm gonna try. I'll research about that like today to make sure that I'm doing the right thing. A little bit of curry because guys. How about home? it's not about complaining. It's just that it's the first day and you're like, wow. You know, when everything becomes a reality, you know, you start to realize that, yeah, no, this is real. Let it get a little brownish, nyana man. Wow. At least I get to eat again. That's a good point. That's a good part, that I get to eat again, guys. I get to eat after. I'm supposed to have had this at 4:30, but it's now to 5. This at 4:30, but now it's almost 5 p.m. So I'll have to eat it again after 2 hours. Cause wow. I know I can do it. The problem is that people are eating French fries in my presence. They are literally eating French fries in my presence. Wouldn't it be better if everybody was doing something like eating a salad and being considerate of others?
We're gonna eat a salad. We ate salad yesterday.
I know, but then
We'll eat it again.
I'm gonna be having my last fueling. Well, not my last fueling, but my last meal, like for the day. This is my mini meal, and actually I'm tired. I don't know if it's because of stuff that I did during the weekend, but I'm feeling very exhausted. So far I feel fine. I was feeling a little bit hungry, so I was like, let me get some food in. So I'm gonna eat now, and then I'm gonna have the last protein shake around 9:30. So at least that will get me going through the night. So I'll keep you guys updated and posted.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings, but now I shine with your reflection on me. I'm getting back up on my feet. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory.
Did you see that? Amazing. Is it something that I can do like constantly, continuously? Absolutely not. I really want to have like other vegetables. I want to have a little bit of fruit. So this one is very restrictive, but I think I could do this like once a month just to rev up my system a little bit. Like rev it up, rev up my system a little bit so that I can, you know, get back into that fat burning zone. So thank you guys for watching this video. Share with a friend, share with a loved one. Remember to like, remember to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.